Hi everyone, today we're going to be checking out this 4G GPS tracking device I just got in. I love it, it's super handy and it gives you peace of mind to keep tabs on any loved one or even a personal item if you would like to do so. Let's take it out of the box here and show you what you're going to get. It's very, very small and compact, like I say, so it can hide pretty much in any bag or any device. Right on top here is the little GPS tracker itself. Take it out of the packaging here. And as you can see, it's literally like 1.5 inches by 1 inch cube. This will be placed in a book bag or in a car, on a four-wheeler. You can pretty much put it wherever to keep tabs on a person, place, or thing. Let's also open up underneath here. It is charged by a USB port right here. Just goes right into the wall. And then there is a little tab right here on the front of your tracker that opens up to reveal the place for the charging port and the SIM card. You will need to put a SIM card in this to make it functional, and you will need to sync it up to your phone via the app. And I will talk about that here in a little bit. There also are some things to adhere. So if you would like to put it on 3M tape, just stick it right on there and then up on the device, such as a car, four-wheeler, whatever, or magnetically, you can do that as well. There is also a user guide in here. These are going to come in handy for setting up your device. Everything is in here. The QR code that you are going to need to scan to download the app is right in here. And then once that happens, you will need to sync it up to your phone and get it working that way. You will also need the serial number that is on the back of this so it can communicate with your app and vice versa. But I really think these will come in handy for children if you would like to keep tabs on them. So if they're new drivers and you would like to make sure they're safe, this is a great hidden device where they wouldn't even know is up underneath the seat or somewhere in the car. Also a loved one, if you are having doubts or worries of where they are, this is another good tracking device for them as well. Luggage, or if you are going on a trip, say a hiking trip or skiing trip, just to make sure that your loved one is fine, this really gives you the peace of mind to do so. I really enjoy these and I hope you guys do as well and feel just as safe using it as I do.
All right, so let's dive into how this app works. I've already put the serial number in as the username, but the password will be 123456. As you can see, it's already picking up the location. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here is the menu bar that you can also drop down to tailor your experience to your specific needs. You will need to make sure that your SIM card is up and activated because this is not a monthly subscription. It runs on SIM cards. So therefore you will need to make sure that SIM card is definitely paid for and in place. Now we're going to show you a little bit about the tracking and how it works. As you can see, I am the little car in my driveway and I will be pulling out and driving. It's on about a 9-second delay, so it will be a little choppy, but it will show the route that I am driving, and it will show you the battery life that's left on your tracker itself and the direction, north, south, east, or west.